How to fix TikTok sound removed. So all you have to do is to go directly to your TikTok application here. And to be able to fix your TikTok sound is removed is you go here on your profile. On the bottom part, you'll see home, shop, plus icon, inbox, and profile. Tap on profile there. And then on the upper right, you will see burger sign or the three dash lines there. Tap on the three dash lines. And here go to settings and privacy. So under settings and privacy, what I want you to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see the support and about section there and tap on report a problem. Here on report a problem, what I want you to do next is to actually choose your problem. So your topics on your problem. So let's say you're having a problem to your videos and sounds here and tap on other here, and then here you will see related questions. So if you can't still find your problem that you've encountered, tap need more help, then tap on need more help, and just put here and basically just submit your report, and that is how you fix TikTok sound removed. And you just have to wait for the TikTok community to get back to you and fix your problem up to 48 hours. And basically, that is how you fix TikTok sound removed. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.